Hi, dear children. Very good morning to you. Children, are you ready to learn English now? Okay, very good. Today, we will start our new unit. Unit 3. Do you know the title of that unit, children? Say. Can you say? Mowgli. What is that? Mowgli. Do you know the story of Mowgli? Have you heard the story before? Okay, very good. Yes, take your textbook. Opening page number 50. 50. 550. Listen, children. Unit 3, Mowgli. Look at the pictures and read the story. Children, listen here. Look at the pictures. Did you see 3 set of pictures there? You listen there, children. What is that? Yes, listen here. Bagheera, the panther, finds a baby in a boat. Did you see the picture of Bagheera? What is that? Who is that Bagheera? The panther. Panther means a black leopard. Karimbuli. What is that, children? Karimbuli. Panther. Panther. What is his name? Bagheera. Bhageera. One more time, children. Spell out. Bagheera. Bagheera. Geera. Bagheera. The panther. Panther. Karimbuli. What is that? Karimbuli finds a baby in a boat. What did the panther see there in a boat? That panther finds a baby in a boat. Then listen, children. Next picture. He takes the baby to a wolf. Then what did the panther do? Bagheera do? What did Bagheera do? He takes the baby to a wolf. Wolf. Do you know what is the meaning of wolf? WOLF. Wolf. Chennai. What is that? Chennai. Bagheera, the panther, takes the baby to a wolf. Third picture you see, children. The wolf's cubs peed into the basket. When the panther takes that baby to a wolf, the wolf's cubs, 3 cubs. Did you see the picture of 3 cubs, children? What did they do? They peeped into the basket. They peeped into the basket. Peep. P-E-E-P-E-D. They peep. ഒളിഞ്ഞു നോക്കി ബാസ്ക്കറ്റിലേക്ക് 3 കപ്സും കൂടെ ഒളിഞ്ഞു നോക്കുന്ന പിക്ചർ കണ്ടില്ലേ? Did you see the picture, children? That 3 cups are peeped into the basket. 3 cups were peeped into the basket. Then, children, what will Bagheera tell the wolf? Can you say what will Bagheera tell to the wolf? We saw that Bagheera took that baby to a wolf. And what will Bagheera tell to the wolf? എന്തായിരിക്കും wolfനോട് ബഗീര പറയുക? It is a poor baby. Please look after it with your cubs. ഇതൊരു പാവം ബേബിയാണ്, നിൻ്റെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളുടെ കൂടെ നീ ഇതിനെയും കൂടി നോക്കുമോ എന്നായിരിക്കും ചോദിച്ചത്. What will happen to the baby? Then ബേബിക്ക് എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും? What will happen? Take, children, next page. Listen here. Next page, page number 51. Did you see? Now read on. What will happen to the baby? We will see from the lesson. First lesson, a surprise. A surprise. What is the meaning of surprise, children? Wonder, isn't it? Surprise means wonder. Spell out surprise. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E. Surprise. Listen, children. I will read. Listen very carefully. A surprise. It is a man cub, said a cub. It has no tail, said the second cub. There is no hair on its body, said the third. Hi, shall we take it at home? The cubs asked their mother. Why not? Take him with you, said the mother wolf. The baby grew up with the cubs. They called him Mowgli. Now he is a young boy. The wolves love him very much. He loves them too. Listen, children. Read one time very silently without mistake. Yes, very good. A surprise, a wonder. It is a man cup, said a cup. What did one of the cups say? What did one of the cups say? It is a man cup. ഇതൊരു മനുഷ്യ കുഞ്ഞാണ്. It has no tail. It has no tail. The second cup said. It has no tail. അതിന് വാലൊന്നുമില്ല. Said the second cup. There is no hair on its body, said the third. What did the third cup say? There is no hair on its body. അതിൻ്റെ ബോഡിയിൽ ഒരു ഹെയർ പോലും ഇല്ല എന്നാണ് തേർഡ് കപ്പ് പറഞ്ഞത്. ഷാൽ വി ടേക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ഹോം? The cubs asked their mother. What did they ask their mother? They asked, shall we take it home? We like him. We love him. Shall we take it our home? നമ്മുടെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് ഇവനെ കൊണ്ടുപോയാലോ? Then what did mother say? Why not? Take him with you, said the mother wolf. ഒരു കുഴപ്പമില്ല. Take him with you. നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂടെ അവനെയും കൂടി കൂട്ടിക്കോ, said the mother wolf. The baby grew up with the cubs. What happened? The baby grew up with the cubs. കബ്സിൻ്റെ കൂടെ അവനും വളർന്നു വന്നു. Grew. Spell out, children. Grew. G-R-E-W. Grew. They call him Mowgli. They call him. What did they call? They call him Mowgli. Spell out, children. Mowgli. M-O-W-G-L-I. What is spelling? Spell out one more time. M-O-W-G-L-I. Mowgli. M-O-W-G-L-I. Mowgli. Now he is a young boy. Now he is a very young boy. The wolves love him very much. Then the wolves love him very much, and he loves them too. And Mowgli loves that cubs very much, and he also loves them too. Then listen, children. Did you understand the meaning? Yes. Then read 2 or 3 times. Listen, children. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? What are they, or which are they? How do animals express their love? Can you say? Do you have any pets? In your home, I think that you have a dog or cat or like that, anything? Pets? Then how do animals express their love? Can you say? Dogs. Animals means here. Can you say about a dog? Animals express their love in different ways, no? Then what about a dog? Dogs lick our feet. ഡോഗുകളെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ സ്നേഹം പ്രകടിക്കുന്നത്? ഓടി വന്ന് നമ്മുടെ കാലിലും കയ്യിലുമൊക്കെ ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യും, നക്കും അല്ലേ? അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മളെ കാണുമ്പോഴവ വാലാട്ടും. ആൻഡ് വാഗ് ദർ ടെയിൽസ്. WAG, ബാഗ്, വാലാട്ടുക. വാഗ് ദർ ടെയിൽസ്. ദെൻ ക്യാറ്റോ? ക്യാൻ യു സേ അബൌട്ട് ക്യാറ്റ്? നമ്മളെ കാണുമ്പം മുരളും അല്ലേ? ക്യാറ്റ് പേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് റബ് ദർ ബോഡി. പൂച്ച നമ്മളെ കാണുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും അവരുടെ ബോഡി നമ്മുടെ ദേഹത്ത് കൊണ്ടുപോയി ഇങ്ങനെ ഉരുമും. റബ് ദർ ബോഡി. ദെൻ ലിസൺ, ചിൽഡ്രൻ. യു find out the difficult words. Can you say which are the difficult words here? Bagheera, panther. Then peeped, ഉണിഞ്ഞു നോക്കുക. പീപ്പിയ ഉണിഞ്ഞു നോക്കുക. wolf, WOLF. Then next heading, surprise. Then cub, wolf's cub, wolfൻ്റെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ. CUB, cub. Tail, വാല്. TAIL. Then hair, you know, hair, HAIR. Body, BODY. Then next word, can you say? Children, mother wolf, you know it. Then grew, baby. Called him Mowgli, MOWGLI. Now itself learn the spelling Mowgli, children. MOWGLI. Okay, wolves. Can you say the plural form of wolf? WOLF. Wolves. WOLVES. Yeah, you add VES and avoid F. WOLVES. Wolves. Then listen children, read and understand, and also write down the difficult words right side of your notebook and read many times, 3 or 4 times, and understand the lesson and its meaning. Okay, the second lesson I will take next class. Bye bye.